All right, this is the recording of the 3.4 Unit 4 Probability Test Part 2 being read aloud. So you can open the document and read it along with me, and you can complete it at this time. After I read each question, if you want to work on that part, you can just pause the recording, and then when you're ready to go to the next part, um, hit play. And all right, so Unit 4 Test Part 2. Part 2 is a constructed response. Make sure to answer all parts to earn maximum points. Be sure to show work or explain where necessary. You may type your responses right in the Word document or print it out and write on the document. Okay. Notice, you must complete this assignment on your own. You may not use any external resources such as websites or online calculators. Copying, pasting work, or solutions from such sites will result in automatic 0 score on the entire quiz. Make sure you are showing your own work and answers. You are allowed to use a calculator. What we mean is you're not allowed to go and use a special website that may already have this particular types of questions answered and then copy and paste, okay? Or a special probability calculator. You can use your regular calculator to do your calculations, your adding and multiplying and stuff like that, okay? Please read the questions carefully before writing or typing your responses. Make sure to answer all 4 parts, A through D. Show work and or explain as needed to be eligible for full credit. And be sure to start with the original amount of marbles listed for each part. Each part is a separate problem. For each part, do not assume the other parts have already occurred. For each part, you start with the original number of marbles in the bag. So there's 4 parts, A, B, C, D, and each part you're going to start at the very beginning of that question that there are 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles in the bag. Okay, so part A. Again, there are 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles in a bag. What is the probability that you will pick a black marble out of the bag? Okay, if you need more time, just pause the recording, and when you're ready, unpause it. Part B, again, there are now 3 marbles and 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles in a bag. What is the probability that you will pick 2 black marbles out of the bag without replacing the first one chosen? Make sure to show your work. Remember to hit pause if you're going to work on this problem now, and when you're finished, hit play. Part C. Again, there are 3 black marbles and 4 red marbles in a bag. What is the probability of picking a black marble, replacing it back in the bag, and then choosing another black marble? Make sure to show your work. Okay, again, if you're working on this problem, hit pause, and when you're finished, hit play. And the final part, Part D, explain why the probability is different for Part B and C. Remember to hit pause while you're working and play when you're finished. All right, when you are finished, make sure to save your changes on the document, or if you printed it out, scan your completed document into your computer. Submit your document to the 3.4 Unit 4 Probability Test Part 2 folder under the Assignment tool. So go under Tools, Assignment, and then scroll down to Unit 4, and you should see 4.3 Unit 4 Probability Test Part 2. That's the folder you want to submit it to. If you have any questions, send me an email. And that is the end of this recording. Have a good day.